Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find filters templates on the FilmMaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application in your device. So that's the first page, and if you want to start a new project, click to the new project button. But in the project section you can find your old videos and projects. New, if you want to find or search different templates, for example filters, just click to the asset library option at the upper side of the screen, and in the lower bar you can find the filter option, and you can find, for example, movie, Airbabe, Christmas, BV, Hong Kong, and others, and just select one and you can use. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.